Today, leave your troubles at the door. I am so excited about this.
Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Catherine. Today I'm sharing with you 15 fabulous home buys from Walmart. Lots of things are a good deal, but some of them are not worth your dollar.
It says, hello, I'm super rickety.
So we are breaking it down today, and there are some surprises on this list. My number one favorite buy are these glass canisters. They're great for all of those ingredients you use all of the time. So beautiful and affordable. And this year, they lowered the price by $1. They are under $9. Speaking of beautiful glass canisters, you guys know we recently decluttered our kitchen, but this item has stayed because it is so versatile. It is the best serve dish you can buy and under $20. Right now it's on rollback. Look at all it can do. I can't wait till we can start having people over. Speaking of quality items for the kitchen, there's some you don't want to scrimp on. Walmart has the best price on trash cans, and I'm talking nice trash cans. And the Better Homes and Garden trash can brand at Walmart is fabulous and under $40 for a soft close. 5-star rated, and a great trash can is crucial in any kitchen. A great buy from Walmart are their bamboo organizers. You get this entire set for your drawers. These always blow me away in store. Now, Amazon has similar items that are usually a few cents different, maybe a couple dollars, so be sure to check. But these drawer dividers are 5 stars and about $5 a piece. They really upgrade your kitchen game, especially in spots you go all the time. Ta-da! Now I want to talk about the pantry because Walmart has got it beat for large containers. If you're looking for that really tiny price point, they have a large canister for just a couple of dollars. And if you buy things in bulk, they have very large containers you can get for that under $10 price point. A lot of them are name brand. Every year, Walmart brings in a new line of organizing products that is the same quality as Container Store. So think Rockefeller taste on a shoestring budget. That is totally my jam. And oh my gosh, at the time of filming, look at this deal. 10 canisters for $13. And these are incredible quality with airtight seals. Even at full price, they are still worth it for their quality. And I really like that it keeps things airtight. They're very quality and good for those staples we buy every week. You guys know I'm all about the pantry and cabinet organization. The underwire baskets from Walmart are a great deal at that $5 to $6 price point each. And all of their coated metal organizers, some of them are expandable, and the can organizers are great as well. A couple of items to keep in mind for under your sink are their Lazy Susans. They're a great deal at Walmart. They're a similar price on Amazon as well. And there's sink mats. This is a really great thing you can line the underneath of your sink with to prevent spills. These stackable baskets are $10 a piece. They are extremely quality. I don't love Walmart for furniture, except for their storage ottomans. They are fantastic and great quality for the price. We use these all over our house for our dress-up clothes, and so many of them are really cute. And look at these extra large storage ottomans. Move over, West Elm. These are awesome and a great deal. Lots of you guys say you like the Dollar Tree canvas bins, but if you use them all the time, they start to wear out on you. Walmart is a great place to go for the really quality and beautiful ones. They're under $10, which is about equivalent to what you'd pay from IKEA. And the designs are so beautiful this year. I get this question a lot. How do you know what to buy at Walmart and then what to buy at the dollar store? Here's my 2 cents. For smaller baskets like this, these are way more expensive and on par with what you're gonna find at the Dollar Tree. But for your larger containers, especially ones that you're gonna be using every single day, investing a couple of extra dollars more pays out in the long run. Let me show you some that I love. It's just $3.97. It's flexible storage. You don't have to just use this in the laundry room. This would be really great for storing kids' toys. Guys, these clever made collapsible storage bins are under $10. These retail for $18 in other stores and are 5-star rated. They're really great in garages or in the back of your cars. I really love Walmart for some of those larger and more elegant bins. You can get these really large ones for right around that $15 price point. And if you're gonna be setting these out and displaying them, it's really worth, I think, spending a couple of extra dollars, but still getting them affordably. If you can't find them at Walmart, Big Lots is another great place to check. There's also some super fun finds for your closet like this. Let's talk hangers. The cheapest place to get your hangers is actually Costco. But if you don't have a Costco membership, Walmart is your next best bet. They have so many cute options. They're about 36 cents a piece. I would stay away from places like Dollar Tree and Dollar General because you get a lot fewer and end up paying more. I use these garment bags all over my house and they're really good quality. There's a whole line of them.
Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level.
These can weight your doors down pretty significantly, but I do like these rolling carts, these shoe slings. They work really well. This holds a lot of shoes and it's on wheels too.
You better join in.
You guys know I love a good scent, and next are the meltable waxes. You do not need to spend big bucks for the name brands. The Better Home and Garden Wax has incredible throw and fabulous reviews on their website. These little $2 Better Homes and Gardens melts rival some of the big name brands. This orange buttercream cupcake is definitely a favorite of mine. And you can get a warmer for less than $8. Some of them are so cute and trendy. I love picking these up and they work great in an office.
Kind of smells like Fruit Loops up here.
Oh my gosh, it does! It smells exactly like Fruit Loops!
Yeah.
Oh, that's so true!
Turn it up, we
One of my favorite products of 2021 are UV sanitizer boxes. These are so pricey in other stores, but you put all your equipment in them to get all of the nasty viruses off. And look at this rollback. $20 for one of these is a really good deal. We use it all the time for our face masks, for our phones.
got this.
I totally get this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I am so excited about this. They have little personal chillers that you can keep in your bathroom for your face masks, for your serums, for your rollers. Oh my goodness. I am very excited about this.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
I am loving this thing. This is a great gift idea too.
If you enjoyed this video, you leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. And you remember, next time you're in Walmart, these are things I would absolutely spend my dime on. Man, am I so glad you are here today. If nobody has told you you are enough, you click that subscribe button because I want to see you back here next time. I will catch you guys then. Bye.